In this video I'm going to talk about fixed forms again in Guide I, but this time I'm going to teach you how to edit these forms. So you need to watch the other video which is about fixed forms and how you use them, and then on this one we're going to look at how we edit them. So to get into the fixed forms you need to be in the edit mode, and then we're going to press this button called setting, and it comes up with this screen, register fixed form sentence for milling, and you just say select. And it comes up with all the forms that I've got, and any one of these I can just click delete and it will delete that form, or I can create a new one, or I can alter one. Now say for example I wanted to alter this form, just press alter. Now I could give it a different name if I wanted to. I could enter that in, or I could alter what's in it. Now the way this works, it's a bit weird, but it's a great big long line of code, so you write it all on one big long line. So what you write, like if you look at this down here, you'll see I've got all this code, but it carries on like for miles, and you put your ender block and everything. So everything that you want in that code you write as this big long line of code. Don't forget your ender blocks, else it'll all be like one big long block of code. And then use your cancel key or whatever, or you can completely rewrite this. And then when you've done it, you click that alter key. I'm not going to click alter because I don't want to mess mine up, but I'm just going to click cancel there. And then what manifests here is what you've actually written in there. So it all comes up there, and that's what you're going to get in your in your program when you input this into your program. Now what you can also do is you can copy things. So like if I say I'm going to alter this one, and I get all this down here, if I go down to this second load of stuff there, if I say copy, I've copied all that now, so I'm going to cancel that. So I could paste that into another one. So let's see how you would create a new one. That's a new one, and I'm just calling it I don't know, mine. And then you have to import that, by the way. You have to press import to get that to actually go in there. You can't just go down to the next bit. So I'm just going to import that, and then come down to this. Hang on, I think that's gone in, yeah. And then here I'm going to say paste, and that's pasted all that from that other cycle that I had before into there. So, and you can also do this from a program, which is absolute best way of doing it, because if you've got something in a program, just copy it and then paste it into this registered sentence, as they call it. Just press input again, and then what we're going to do there is we're going to say add, because this is a new form. So I'm going to say add, and now that one has come up there, and that's all what's in it. So you can copy and paste into these forms, not just from the form, but also from the actual from your actual program. And obviously you can do that whenever you want, and create loads of these things, and it just makes it dead easy to create a program.